Hello, this is Ipshita. I'm the maker of that Indian drink and maker the Indian milk and honey ghee as well. Today I'm going to make my favorite boneless tandoori chicken. But it's not going to be made in the tandoor. We'll be making it in the oven. Tandoor is a clay oven. It has charcoal in it, and you are basically grilling it, but in a clay oven and on skewers. Today I'll be doing the same version of it in the oven, so it's going to be an all-season cooking. You don't have to do a barbecue or wait to have a clay oven or anything of that sort. So our good old-fashioned oven would work perfectly fine for that. Ingredients for the dish are chicken thigh, ginger garlic paste, some cilantro minced finely, nice big chunks of the bell peppers. You can have the different assortments, whatever colors you like, some lemon juice. A bunch of spices that we'll be needing for this dish are going to be paprika. You'll be using garam masala powder, mango powder, that's dried mango, that's basically is just grounded up. You have some coriander powder, turmeric, salt, black pepper. My favorite two things in this dish are going to be mango lassi. It gives an amazing finishing touch, and ghee. I'll be showing you the two ways of using ghee in this dish. For the marinade, I'll start with a little bit of the mango powder, a good big heap of tablespoon of paprika, half a tablespoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of cilantro, 2 to 3 teaspoons of the lemon juice, mango lassi, you'll need a quarter of mango lassi in this case. Whisk it nice. Add your chicken to it. Before you add the chicken, don't forget to taste the marinade. Perfect. You can add your chicken. Once the chicken is marinated really nice, it's coated really nice, leave it in the refrigerator, preferably for 4 to 5 hours. It'll sit in its marination for nice, all the salt and the spices will soak in, and after that you're good to put it in the oven. The oven is preheated at 375 and we are going to bake the chicken for 20 minutes. toss in the broiler along with the peppers till you get a nice roasty